Hello everyone, I'm here to share some interesting facts about Crater Lake today. Let's dive right in. So before we even begin, you may be wondering why Crater Lake even has its name. In 1869, a party of lake visitors chose the name because of the crater in the top of the volcanic center cone that is today known as Wizard Island. Fun fact, the park is actually a caldera. A caldera is a large depression formed in the ground from the collapse of a volcano. This usually leads to a big hole in the ground, a deep one. Tectonic processes such as the subduction of the Wall-de-Fuca plate under North America underlines that the park is created at a continent-ocean convergence zone, which in result helps shape the park's mountain and volcano complexes. This caldera was formed from the volcano explosion of Mount Mazama approximately 7,700 years ago. The mountain was a composite or a stratovolcano and was highly eruptive in this day, meaning that the lava was highly viscous. This means that the lava contains felsic minerals that cools and hardens pretty quickly. These explosive eruptions contain silica-rich lava, an outward sign of the slow accumulated of built-up magma within the chamber. As the magma reaches the Earth's surface, the flowing lava cools quickly to create fine-grained, extrusive igneous rocks. Some examples of the igneous rocks found at Crater Lake are pumice, andesite, and basalt. First, we'll talk about pumice. Pumice is an igneous porous rock that is formed after the eruptions of Mount Mazama with the presence of ash. The pores are gas bubbles that are trapped within the rock during the rapid cooling of the magma. These pores allow the rock to be lightweight enough to float even on water. Second, we have andesite. This fine-grained extrusive rock is usually light to dark gray in color, with small crystallized structure due to the rapid cooling of the Earth's surface, which is very common at Crater Lake. Andesite is one of the common and dominant rocks in Crater Lake in the Ring of Fire. And fun fact, the Andes Mountains and the Cascades are named after andesite. Pretty cool. The rock is formed when subduction zones melt and the magma erupts to the surface. The last rock I will be talking about is basalt. This fine-grained dark color rock is composed of olivine and plagioclase due to the common quick cooling rates of these rocks. Now, we will talk about weathering and how it shaped the formation of the park. Weathering such as snow and rain has filled the caldera, forming what is today's Crater Lake Park. Precipitation in the air has caused the rocks to reach different levels of oxidation. Oxidation which rusts the rocks to change colors to red, or even rocks such as basalt to brown. This can be shown in the Watchman and Hillman Peak in the park. The plant life forms within the cracks and crevices of these peaks. The release of pressure as rocks reaches the surface, or frost wedges, which is water within the rock that freezes and expands the rock to be melted again, allows for plant life to be grown within the cracks. This is an example of mechanical weathering through physical processes. The roots of the plants generate certain acids which help break down the rocks chemically. Therefore, there are both chemical and mechanical weathering present within the same mountain peaks in Crater Lake. Now I'm going to explain a little bit about the geography of the park. Crater Lake in Lake National Park is located in southern Oregon within the Cascade Mountains. The circular outline of the lake has a diameter of about 5 miles and an area of 20 square miles, and a depth of 2,000 feet. Wow, talk about deep. The lake was recorded to be well above sea level with a measurement about 6,200 feet in August 1947, which is about 1,000 feet above the circular rim. You still there after all that? Well, hopefully some more facts of the park can wake you up. But before I tell you, I almost forgot to tell you about that the park was established by Theodore Roosevelt on May 22nd, 1902. The park brings in many tourists from around the world year-round because of the fun fact that it's the deepest lake in the U.S. and ninth deepest in the world. Beautiful and open sights and views alongside with the sheer fact that swimming is allowed if weather permits. Who doesn't like swimming? Well, that's all for today. I know that was a little bit of information, but I'm still learning more about the park. Hopefully you look forward to going to Crater Lake National Park as much as I do. Until next time.